This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
Welcome to the special report from France. In this country, the law insists that Sikh children take off their turbans before entering schools. But beyond the law, and underlying it, is the attitude where Sikhs are actually better off if they don't look Sikh at all. In the next 30 minutes, we take a look at how they are dealing with this pressure. As immigrants, they are expected to get integrated into French community. But the French concept of secularism insists that religion be confined to the private sphere. And the non-religious milieu here makes it impossible for their argument to be heard. Man Singh believes a turban represents much more than religion for a Sikh. He also sees it as a symbol of honor and dignity. Ever since he sold his telephone shop in Paris 3 months ago, doing the rounds of courts has become a full-time occupation. He came to France as a student in 1970, studied electronic engineering, and as a French citizen, even served in the army. Since 1986, he has been battling the bureaucracy relentlessly. When he applied for a residence card and was not allowed to wear a turban, he went to court. He won that case. But then he was asked to take off his turban to renew his driving license. He refused and was not given a license. So he went to court again.
अगर आइडेंटिफिकेशन की प्रॉब्लम तो हमें कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? मैं तो इन लोगों को यही बताता हूँ, मैं तो 24 आवर ऐसे रहता हूँ, मैं नंगे से रहता ही नहीं हूँ। माजिन आपको मैं फ़ोटो दे भी दूँ, खुदा ना करे मैं आपको फ़ोटो दे भी दूँ नंगे सर, आप कल को मुझे कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? प्लीज़ मुझे रोकेगा, देखेगा भी ये तो आपका आइडेंटिटी कार्ड नहीं, आप कौन है, पगड़ी तार का दिखाइए, तो हमारी तो हम साल्ट रास्ते में करेंगे। इसलिए हम कभी इनको फ़ोटो देने का मांगता ही नहीं है। मुझे पेपर दें ना दें, लेकिन मैं फ़ोटो इनको नंगे से नहीं देने का।
Man Singh doesn't dare to drive in Paris, but does a little driving around in Val d'Oise, a suburb of Paris where he lives. Even the cops in the area are now familiar with his file of legal papers. Last month, the highest administrative court in France finally ruled that the Transport Ministry's refusal of a license to him was invalid. But before he could begin celebrating, the ministry issued a new regulation within 24 hours of the court's decision. It said no photos with headgear would be accepted for a driving license. तो अभी आप बिना ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस के गाड़ी चला रहे हैं?
अभी मैं बिना ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस से गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ। पुलिस रोकती हैं, जब रोकती हैं तो मेरे पास जो जुडिशरी पेपर हैं, वो मेरा केस है जो चल रहा है अदालत में, तो छोड़ देते हैं देखकर।
And before he knew it, it was time for him to get his passport renewed. Last month, hoping that his French passport with a turban photo could become a point of reference for others in the community, he gave in his papers. अब अभी कहाँ जा रहे हो?
अभी हम प्रीफेक्चर में जा रहे हैं अपने पासपोर्ट की डिमांड करने के लिए।
कितना टाइम लगता है इसमें?
जहाँ पासपोर्ट देने में तो लगते हैं तकरीबन 3 हफ्ते लगते हैं मैक्सिमम। लड़ाई ख़त्म नहीं होता, उसके बाद जो जितने हमारे भाई हैं, सिख भाई हैं जो एमिग्रेंट हैं, उनका शुरू हो जाएगा। मेरा तो इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं तो फ्रेंच सिटीजन हूँ, मैं इसलिए लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूँ। बहुत लंबी लड़ाई है, हर के बस की बात नहीं होता लड़ाई लड़ना। मैं तो जहाँ का रहने वाला हूँ, मुझे तो इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। जो एमिग्रेंट हैं उसको जो बोल देंगे भाई अपनी कंट्री में वापस जाइए, अगर आप हमारे कानून को फॉलो नहीं करते तो। मैं अभी प्रीफेक्चर में जा रहा हूँ अपना पासपोर्ट जमा कराने के लिए। देखते हैं क्या बोलते हैं। जो पहला पासपोर्ट है उस पर मेरा फ़ोटो लगा हुआ है, पहले पगड़ी वाला है ऐसे। पहले इन लोगों ने कभी ऐसा नहीं बोला कि आपको फ्रेंच पासपोर्ट कर आपकी फ़ोटो नहीं लगाएंगे। तो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ जमा कराने के लिए, देखते हैं क्या बोलते हैं।
But Man Singh could not get his passport renewed. He was asked to provide new photos without his turban. Now he is gearing up to file yet another case for an emergency hearing in 2 weeks.
बड़ी मुश्किल आया हमें फ्रांस में वकील ढूंढने के लिए। कोई भी वकील हमें मिल नहीं रहा कि जो इस केस को फाइट करे। एक पहला वकील मुझे मिला, वो पैसे लेकर उसने जवाब दे दिया। उसके बाद ये 2 वकील हमें मिले हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं, जो बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, लेकिन इनको समझाना पड़ता है।
Kudrat Singh, who is of French origin, has been specially appointed by the UK-based organisation United Sikh to help the Sikhs communicate with their French lawyers.
In France, secularism is not neutrality towards religion. They consider religion as superstition.
They realise that they need to expand the scope of the case beyond religion if they stand a chance of winning.
It's more the right to ethnicity, because the right of religion is part of the right to ethnicity. For the Sikh person, it's a broader problem than the religion itself. It's a part of the identity of the person to wear the turban, and thus it's more than a religious problem. It is, of course, religious, but it's more than religious. A Sikh is not a Sikh without his turban. There is no comparison with another religion.
Many believe the Indian government should be stepping in to help. Ironically, many Sikhs in France arrived here as political refugees in the 80s and remain staunch separatists.
अगर हिंदुस्तान का प्रधानमंत्री हिंदू हो या और कोई, हम तो ये कह सकते हैं कि ये हिंदू है इसलिए हमारा नहीं करा, और एक सिख प्राइम मिनिस्टर होके ये नहीं कर रहा हो तो हम किससे कहें जाके। अगर हम इस देश के लिए जीते हैं, मरते हैं, हर सब कुछ करते हैं, तो हम सिख क्या इस देश का हिस्सा नहीं है? हमें कोई हक नहीं है अपने देश के लोगों को कहने का कि ये हमारा मामला पॉलिटिकल है। ये
आप तो इंडिया छोड़ के यहाँ आ गए, बहुत से सिख ऐसे भी हैं जो कि रेफ्यूजी स्टेटस लेकर
मगर हम जुड़े हुए तो हमारे माँ बाप सब जो बड़े हैं उस देश हिंदुस्तान को आज़ाद कराने के लिए वहीं तो शहीद हुए हैं। ये फ्रांस में शहीद हुए हैं हमारे बड़े सिख।
Some, like Ranjit Singh, say whether or not the Indian government intervenes to support them, the fight has to go on. His case has been pending in court for the last 3 years. The French government refuses to give him his dues as a refugee, so he is living off doles from friends and the articles he writes for the international Punjabi press.
It is because of their behavior, racism, xenophobia. They think our culture, our religion is the superior to all. Well, I have been writing in the Desh Punjab, published from Jalandhar. I have given some articles. Now I am recently sending an article in which I am trying to show why this trouble happened in France. 300 cities came under these riots. Why it came? That all I am explaining, because they talk of liberté, égalité and fraternity. What every letter is also, all these 3 letters are written. Every government building, police station, hospitals, schools, National Assembly, President House, every building has these 3 words on the main gates. But in fact, this is a fraud.
So is there a solution to the problem of these Sikhs living in France?
India and France are 2 countries which are impossible to compare in this field. For example, in India, the Sikh, they are not obliged to wear helmet when they drive a bike. In France, if you say a policeman, no, I am a Sikh, so I don't have to wear a helmet, the policeman is going to answer you, you are a citizen, you are a French citizen, so the law is the same for every citizen. I don't care if you are Catholic, Muslim, Sikh or whatever, because I mean, French is a secular state, so the law is the same for everyone. And it's something that you really have to understand. The law is the same for everyone. The religion cannot interfere with the law, which is not the case in India. I mean, in India, the law is not the same for Muslim concerning the marriage, for example, or for Sikh concerning this small example of helmet. In France, it's impossible because really, religion is not an important part of our life.
What does the rising fear of Muslim fundamentalism in Europe have to do with the Sikhs in France? Find out after this break.